Legend 55.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times on co.za. It's a calling knockout weekend. In this video, we'll talk about two fixtures. Orlando Pirates are playing again in a very short period of time with Siwelele. They played recently. Pirates won 1-0. Sundowns are playing again in a short period of time with the Marumo Gallants. They played a few weeks ago. It was 1-1. But before we get into that, Junior has a very special message to his fans about his book. He's got a book, of course, called Ghetto Ninja. He wrote it with Uniklaus Kirkinis. He's the same guy who has Mac G's book. He also has Tembi Khatlana's book. He also co-wrote Teko Modisa's book and Junior Kanye's book as well. Take it away, Jimmy.
Yeah, Nkuloma Prada kunjani?
Yes, sir.
Ngibulisa Justice, ngibulisa yonke. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Diski TV, fighting no one, trying to fix South African football. Yeah, once November, McG is event. Myself and Nicholas Kirkenes, the art of the book, the guy who wrote this book, obviously, will be selling the remaining copies.
Sure.
Victoria Yards. Sizobe se Victoria Yards on the 1st November.
Yourself will be there, Mac G will be there.
Yes, iProcate uNick.
Sure.
Ingwenye supporta kakhulu iProcate futhi a business person. Yeah, who's so successful. So we you know, he agree with OK Junior. Since unika bhali incwadi yaka Mac G who wrote mine as well. Amakopa sell it, Junior, you can come and sell it there. So we'll be there, so figure early, and then selling the copy of the book.
And the date again, say the date again, and the venue.
Venue is Victoria Yards. Yeah, on the 1st of November 2025.
All right, there you go.
Myself and Nicola Kirkenes.
Thank you very much. So the remaining copies, Mac G's got an event. Junior will be there as well. Niklaus Kirkenes, my former colleague, he wrote Junior's book, Mac G's book, Tembi Khatlana. He wrote Teko Modisa's The Curse of Teko Modisa somewhere around here in my house. So he's a very prolific author, Unik. So they'll be selling a few of the copies, and I would imagine that Mac G will also be selling his books as well there. So you want to see him, you want to see Mac G and Junior Kanye, one of the most biggest people on YouTube in South Africa, hundreds of millions of views, if not billions from their side on Podcast and Chill. So be there on the 1st of November. Junior, we are looking at the Telkom knockout, Carling knockout. It replaced the Telkom knockout. So it's the second competition. Competition of Kalem Zansi, Ibandre Orlando Pirates, Shire, Stellenbosch, MTN 80 final, fair and square, an extra time. This one is a second opportunity for other teams to win. Could be Pirates, could be Sundowns, could be Stellenbosch, it could be Chiefs, could be anyone. Siwelele, it could be anyone. Marumo Gallants as well. We are focusing on Pirates. Their fixture tomorrow will be here, of course, covering that game. We'll also be covering Sundowns later. They're playing against Marumo Gallants. Starting Sundowns and Marumo Gallants. Badla Lelebondlondlo, fourth striker against the Sundowns a few weeks ago. About 1-1. Mamelodi Sundowns had a problem with the creativity. Recently, they brought in Unyonyo Santos from Portugal. He's helped them with the creativity. But also, in that period, the first game, they lost to Golden Arrows. Let's focus on that game. It's a cup competition. Sundowns went to the final last year. How do you look at that game?
Yeah, it's not going to be an easy game for Mamelodi Sundowns, as usual. They played 1-1. The Marumo Gallants, the philosophy is almost the same, more or less the same. Yala Zipola in 28 years.
It drew 1-1 with Pirates.
They
won against Pirates. It drew 1-1 with Sundowns.
Yeah.
It drew 1-1 with Chiefs as
Yes.
well. So
Away
against these big
Chiefs,
teams,
yeah.
he's been very good.
Yeah, and into Mangiti, and about what I love about the guy is young. Ingwenya, he gave players to express themselves. It's team in structure. Tactically spot on. Team discipline. Very compact. The passing game, but just the HIVQ1. It doesn't go behind the defense. We're a false nine.
Yeah,
I think
a striker.
yes, he'll to keep the position. I think the best way to defend is with the keep position as Lona, but he must find a way. That's why if the owner was clever, Bigmelam Todili assistant, no man have somebody bam assess, bam check, or some net in front tree. Because Ichimiake is not going to be easy. Gulewa, I know he has studied Sundowns. Sundowns lately, as coming a season since it's disappointing. But without like creativity, predictable Sundowns. Yeah, very predictable. I'm not too sure which team. Coach and the technical director are working hands in hands. I'm gonna be sure.
They didn't replace Ribeiro until now.
Yes, and they started slow, not convincing. They won. They came, they lost. I was not surprised with Batro and Marumo Kalans. It's Sundowns predictable. Build up slow. I'm not too sure why starting Malbonge Koza. Ulibusa Kon. I'm not too sure. I know last time speaking to Sam, he said we're going to introduce this younger player. Players invest a lot with good development too. Their players are better than other players as well. True, sometimes nama development players are quality, but Malbonge, even if he comes, it doesn't have to start ahead of Ulibusa for me, including Ugrant. He can't start. He can't even this guy Umvala. He can't start. So Malbonge, yes, he did very well with Chen. I think you confuse a lot on the hype. Mbeke mfana umpejini mfana bukele and then he will come out second half probably. Okanye mhlambe somebody if he got injury awunama injured awunama option. In the midfield we need to fix these three. Jaden Adams, Mkwena. I know with Badlale Ngobas did very well. Well done. Bafana, Case Nigeria did very well. He came, I think they beat Richards Bay 4-1.
Yeah,
did very well.
Yeah.
Made some shades on if he did very well. But you need Mkwena there.
Well, they've brought in Onunio for
Msada.
Jaden. In that midfield, they've made a change for the creativity. Abang Itoli with Jaden, no Allende. They've kept to Allende, taken out Jaden, and they're putting now Nuno.
Yeah, it's Yabona Allende a coach. He mustn't get confused. Wanting to start this guy Nuno as Ngaphandla means impact player. Start the guy, delay Pola, Shangini vision. Very direct, very skillful. I waste. He moved the ball quick. Any timing. Well done to him. Well done to Sundown Scout for bringing. They don't just bring international player. He started this. We just letting Funukbona. Gubane between him, understanding between him and the players. I know it's going to take a bit time, but the star acted his card. So Ngimbonile last. If you can start with I know that sometimes it doesn't play forward, but the star they need to speak to him. When you came, the Richards Bay, not before the Richards Bay came. He mindset they need to tell him good thing boxing. So yes, Boas did very well. Start with him. They need this cup, which is for me favorite Daily Cup Pirates. I will be honest to you. They need to start.
Sundowns lost in the final last year.
Yeah.
Sundowns.
I want write off. They've got quality players who can win without the coach. So yes, they must fix the things. Mkwena, Allende, Nuno. Up front, also they need to fix. They can't busy start Matthews. They can't.
Oh, he scored 2 goals last time around.
It doesn't matter after how long. After how long? I mean, we.
And Litlaku is in the World Cup as well.
Yes,
Under 20 World Cup.
Play him. Agomni gumasagi chance. You are bangish. Play him on the left hand side. The Pirates play Mreme go stronger foot. Left. It doesn't have to cut in. Play left. Mnige a chance. Pelunigi a chance. This guy Matthews.
Oh, he's going to play tomorrow. He's going to start tomorrow.
Yeah, that's why
he scored 2 goals, so they're going to give him a chance again. He's earned the right to play another game.
Yeah, but in Tesugishai, other game, he come from other games. He did nothing. Maybe for tracking back. So yeah, justify. Well, yeah, I know he's going to play, but mina bengs umqala mfethu maseka ngithi cup leli. Uli kuyadlala lo mfana. Sami ama coach ku cup bakunike chance. So
sure.
Reina is one of the best for me.
Clinical finisher.
I think sometimes mangithi is winning league is because of this guy mfethu.
Well, they needed someone to unlock him. Nuno Santos.
Nuno is going to.
They need someone to find him.
Kuleko mfethu le Nuno. Ile change dimension ngibonile ku game le Richards Bay. Iyo Sundowns joba ngisho, those are champions fit. You like it or not, the king of this league, South African football. Those are kings because of Bazprovile, not because they proved themselves in Kuleko mfethu.
But it's true that they've been up and down as well.
Yeah, no, they started as
recently they've been up
I'm not going to be trying to nest predictable.
Yeah.
Like creativity and like it's
no
manipulative.
At the back, there's a lot of questions.
It's like every time a team ever attack and
they're going to concede.
You know why? He learned to sacrifice. I know Gutu Malbonge is productive from development. I think coach right begam dlalisana abamzame la imbizeni but he can't start even nasembizeni. So mfaka kulibusa.
Tomorrow, Marumo Gallants are playing against Sundowns.
Yeah.
Sundowns stronger than Marumo Gallants, but Marumo Gallants is a good coach on the bench. They had to come from behind against the Kaizer Chiefs. It was a beautiful goal with their striker, but they don't start him. And also he likes playing wide as well. I forgot his name now. He was playing in Europe. He had a beautiful goal against the Chiefs. And also they lost to Isiwelele this weekend. This past weekend, Marumo Gallants 1-0. Although they had a goal at the beginning of that game that was incorrectly denied, so it could have been a 1-1. Yes, that was an error from the referees and the linesmen as well. What do you think is going to happen tomorrow? Sundowns, Marumo Gallants.
Yeah, Nuno is going to score a first goal. He was man of the match last game. We are with the game, highly motivated. Reina is going to score as well. I think last time badlali 1-1. Mindset Sundowns going to change. Those are champions, you like it or not. They are going to win. If not 3, it's going to be 4.
No goals from Marumo Gallants?
I don't think they will score.
All right. Every time Sundowns are attacked, they look like they're going to concede.
Yes, but tomorrow, if ngibona mina, Sundowns the mindset they saw we played against those guys. 30 is into light, and ngaphandle 30 is into light. Sundowns went to that game bangeko right. So the mindset will change. We talk about Bafana players about the Champions League.
This season, every time they are attacked, they look like they're going to concede.
It's because of
so those are the same Bafana players.
Yeah, but
for like maybe 10, 12 games.
No, season. True. But now they know what it's at stake.
I wouldn't disagree with winning. They will win, but they just look vulnerable at the back.
As I'm telling you, they will want to win this trophy. I need to be, but watching them go to just be bring this guy Nuno. When you open up at the back, you want to go and score. When you know now Reinas.
Well, Richards Bay did score, I think 1 or 2, something like that. So every time Sundowns are attacked, they look very vulnerable at the back, unless they make personnel changes and also tell their back line to stay flat 4. If they're still wanting to push their left to go forward and their right and defend only with 2 people.
Mdiba is back. Mdiba is going to play, probably.
Yeah.
Mdiba is back.
As well.
No. So, with
no goal for Marumo Gallants.
For me, 3 or 4. Nuno is going to score. Sure. Reinas 1 or 2. And I see, if not mistaken, I suspect Chamani Rocket from Umgwen.
All right, there you go. Might be a legendary moment. The internet does not forget. We'll come back, of course, tomorrow. People will remind us again. But I have this feeling that every time Sundowns are attacked, they concede. We are wsb.co.za. Before we go to the Pirates game, I want to remind you that you can go to World Sports Betting on the website, open an account there, and of course have an opportunity to make a lot of money if you know your stuff in football, in tennis, in Formula 1, and everything else. There's so many things to bet on there. You go to wsb.co.za. Siwelele against Orlando Pirates. At least they eventually, Coach CM got a win against the Marumo Gallants. Could have been a 1-1 that game, as I mentioned, but it got a win. So confidence booster. Orlando Pirates are on fire. They are on fire. Masinde Nemtajela is coming into the fore. They have depth. They might even bring in Mbule, who did not start last time around. Moremi is getting used to it. Mufukeng sometimes is number 10. Apoli sometimes is on the bench, sometimes he plays, and if he plays, he scores goals. If Mahopa is not scoring, Mabasa is scoring. Umbutuma scored 2 goals in Africa as well. What's your feeling about that game?
Straight win from Orlando Pirates because a very exciting team. Shang scouting. I want to ask a scouting department to specialize on. They brought players immediately by the impact.
Didn't take them time.
Yeah. So bring on Tejela. I don't think some people they saw what Tejela can go with Orlando Pirates and make an impact. They brought that guy. Jobusho Kulmang depth.
Apoli is
as well. Rome as well. Bafana. Not surprising. Bamdlalisa condition strength sakhe. Right, I think Gula struggle on the left, strength sakhe. Also, the game there, I was excited. The last game they played during the week.
On Tuesday, TS Galaxy.
Back for Abu Bimil. First half. Second half, yes, the coach came with a plan with Abu they can go, Libito can go. But they rely on takers work. Paris played with straight wingers. So, which is Libito, Ulumchito Libesbele. Mina ngaqala ngapolice ngapha right probably ka right imqale ngapha right probably mhlawumbe ulethele umfana urile ngibonile ku number 10 istaff elibholwelazi he's got football intelligent there's no way he can't play number 10 and they must speak to Nduli njoba ngisho kunamama game badlana mastermind mina nyayirate Lucy imibholelazi it's just that
he defended a lot last time he played against Paris. He never even asked one question.
True. He got Lipasa now if not mistaken.
He signed Lipasa.
So Usempolelas and good people that they don't know is good of reading the opponent. In terms of analysis, I'm opponent very good with that. It's just that you need to find a way When you find a solution to read your opponent to score goals, I think for me downfall yakhe. But bring Lipasa, you need to bring proper attackers as well. Skulmanga side left and right, and also number 10. I'm not too sure about his attack. Game, not convincing, but this boy Potsane,
He's revived him.
Yeah, I think umfana enye into emsizayo. I think kuba phambi kwasekhaya kusila amaplayer labo bane strong character. He's doing very well there. Sekakhulile anyway, is no longer a youngster, experienced player, but uyabanceda kakhulu last time we decided game, so created so many chances for kuleyo game UCM. So yeah, playing against exciting Orlando Pirates. He's going to deal with individual
So
players.
mountain to climb. Let's go straight to the prediction.
Yeah, I see kuzoba na 3 la. Yayibhaka chuchiso ishaya 3. 3-0, 2-0. Yes, I don't think it's going to score CM. Yes, pound to pound they might attack each other, but I don't think it's going to be good enough. It doesn't have that quality players to break Orlando Pirates. The 2 center back, Usiema, Nombogas, and yes, Woto, the evergreen Woto. No manga need that quality, but a player is that character and always consistent.
Energy.
Yeah, energy. And no goalkeeper, they've got a good goalkeeper also, Chain. Good combination between communication very well, understanding between the goalkeeper and
2-0, 3-0 Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
There you go. Thank you very much, Junior Kanye. That's Orlando Pirates tomorrow against Siwelele. We'll be here at 3 p.m. as the HSK TV team. And then 8 o'clock later on tomorrow night, we'll also be covering Sundowns against Marumo Gallants. At 3 p.m. on Sunday, it'll be Kaizer Chiefs traveling to my province, the Western Cape, to play against Stellenbosch in the Carling knockout competition. Tonight there's a game as well. I think Durban City is playing, so it starts tonight, the Carling knockout. So enjoy the games, bet on them if you are the type to do so. Some of us will just watch football for the enjoyment. Some watch football for the betting. Enjoy yourself however way you, whatever tickles your fancy. It's Diski Times, World Sports Betting.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.